you like the idea of doing a webinar to educate more people at once and bring in new patients in the door, but then you're a little worried that when you do your webinar, what if very few people show up to it? This is Chen Yen, your 6- and 7-figure practice makeover mentor at Feel My Holistic Practice, saying hello to you from Curacao, answering your question from one of you. So you're not alone with that. I remember when I did my first webinar, I was also worried about that. I thought, what will people think if only a few people came to it? And the truth is that it doesn't matter even if very few people come to it, because you just never know who could actually show up to that. For example, we have had clients who've only had a few people show up, but then one of them ended up being a practitioner who ended up sending them referrals. We've had also people who've attended those kinds of webinars and talks and who actually knew of other speaking opportunities. So one opportunity can turn into more opportunities for you. Also, I will say that one of the biggest mistakes a lot of practitioners make is that when doing something new and then seeing that doing this webinar and thinking, oh wait, very few people showed up, oh, this thing doesn't work, and too much effort for very little return, I'm not going to do it anymore. Or maybe I'll just turn my attention to something else that seems like it'll work better, like Instagram or some other bright and shiny object. Whereas instead, if you actually mastered this, if you actually mastered being able to do a webinar that brings in new patients, then you don't have to always be marketing. And so very few practitioners actually go to that extent of mastering. And so that's why many practitioners end up quitting before that and don't have that kind of success. You know, practitioners who are doing well with webinars, guess what? They started where you started. And the only reason why they're where they're at right now with big audiences and with big reach and with bring in new patients and another stream of income through this is because they stuck with it. And so you can also shortcut this, because we actually have the ability to help you shortcut this with what's working for our clients right now. And you can go to our free training and check it out at www.getbookedspeaking.com/virtual. See you in the free training.